Hello students, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 4. So let us resume our topic from requirement of internet connection. So connecting to the internet. So we need some hardware and softwares to avail internet facility in our computer. For this we need a computer. Second, an ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider, the company which provides internet facility like Airtel, Jio, BSNL. And then we need a device called modem. So modem actually converts digital signal to analog signal, and again analog signal to digital signal. Then we need internet access software, and after all we need a web browser software. So a computer, modem, these two are devices. ISP is the company, and we need two software: internet access software and web browser. Now you can see there are two types of modem. Internal modem means this type of modem is present inside the computer, and the second type is external modem. So this device or this modem is fixed outside the computers. Now internet access software. So we need two software in our computer to access the internet. The first software is dialer software. So this software is only needed for dial-up connection. So when you get internet connection from a company, uh, for dial-up connection I am saying, you will get a particular number from the company, and you have to dial that number to get connected with the internet. So dialer software here uh, dials that particular connection number given by the company to get connected to the internet. The second one is TCP IP. So once you get connected with the internet, then you need this TCP IP software, means transmission control protocol, and IP means internet protocol. So these softwares enable computers to communicate with each other. Means we use internet facility so that one computer can communicate with another computer. So it happens only due to presence of TCP IP software. So these two softwares we need to access and use internet facility in our computers, and these two softwares are already present in the computer itself. Now the last thing we require is a web browser. It is also known as internet application software. So a web browser is a very common software which we generally use in computers as well as in our smartphone. So we use web browser to view web pages. It means we have to open a website, then we need this web browser software. If we have to download any file like video, audio, image, or if we want to upload any file, then we need this web browser software. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, and others are also there. So this software is used to access websites in our computer or smartphone. Now Microsoft Internet Explorer. So it is one of the web browser. Uh, it is developed by the Microsoft company and provided in almost every computer having Windows operating system. How you can start Internet Explorer in your computer? So for this you have to click first start button, then all programs, and you will get Internet Explorer in the list. So click the Internet Explorer option. So this will start the Internet Explorer web browser in your computer. So when you start this Internet Explorer, you will get its window like this. So in the topmost section there will be the title bar, then this is your address bar, and in the leftmost part you can see back button, and here are three buttons. First one is your refresh, then stop, and this button represents the security of the website. This is your favorite button, then forward button, and here in the bottom section you can see the status bar. Other buttons are also there, so I'm going to show you by opening the Internet Explorer in my computer. So first of all you have to click this start button, then all programs, and here in this list you have to search for Internet Explorer option. So here you can see Internet Explorer, so just click here. Okay, so this is the window of Internet Explorer. So when there will be no internet connection in your computer, so it will open like this, and here you can see this is the title bar. Below this box is your address bar, where you have to type the website address to access it, and here you can see this is your refresh button. So refresh button is used to reload the website, and this is your stop button to cancel the website. This is your home button. This is your print button to print the web page. This is your favorites button, means whatever website or feeds you have already saved. This one is your back button, and this is your forward button, and this is the status bar of the Internet Explorer. Now I'm going to close this application and reopen it. Okay, you can also open this Internet Explorer from the quick launch if it is available in your computer. So just click here. Now you can see I have connected my computer to the internet, and then you can see this is the home page of the Internet Explorer. So I have set Google page as my home page. So you can see the address of Google, www.google.com, and here this is HTTPS. It is one of the protocol followed while opening this web page. So this section represents one of the tab in Internet Explorer. If you click on this button, so it will open a new tab in your Internet Explorer. So click here. Now you can see I have now two tabs in my Internet Explorer. So actually tabs are used to open another website if you want. Means in one tab you can one website, and in the next tab you can open the another web page or website. For example, I am going to open here another web page. So just watch this. For this I have to give the address of the website. So www.stmarys school bxr.org. So now I have now two web pages. The first tab shows this Google web page, and the second tab shows the uh, this web page of St. Mary's School. You can also open the third web page. For this you have to again click new tab button. So you can open the third web page from here. So that's all students for this video. Thank you.